Alright, Sakia. Today, I actually finished tonight your calendar, which is this right here, as you can see. I've actually added it into your menu. So if you want to change that or anything that's on the page, please let me know. As far as the calendar goes, you could change all the dates and stuff like that that you want. I've only put this in there for right now, which is, December 8th, 2009, and it's just saying that the calendar was complete. So again, you could change all the events in here that you want, as long, if you need something changed around the page or some writing on the page or whatever, just let me know and we'll fix that up for you. Again, all you have to do is hit that to get to the calendar. So if you want to change that from this, let me know about that as well. It's also down here as well. So, all right, to show you how to make do this, I will give you a quick rundown. Alright, you're going to type in a URL, Google Calendars, and I'll send that to you with all the information on your login and your passwords and stuff like that. You just hit sign in, and once you're signed in, it'll take you to this, and I'm going to go to month for our demonstration. You have two calendars. One is the UPAL.national at gmail.com. Now that was just to sign you up into the Google accounts. So that calendar could be your calendar, your private calendar, and you could do whatever you want to do with that. You could use it or not use it. It's totally up to you. This is the only calendar that's going to be public right now, unless you decide you want to go, a whole nother route with adding more calendars for certain other things or whatever. That's, neither here nor there right this minute, but just know that you could add as many calendars to this thing that you want all day long. Alright, just to show you how to do this, we're going to add another event. We're going to put here, I'm going to say web tutorial. And all I did was click on that square. Alright, now here is where you choose what calendar you want to go into, so that's what that's there for. So this would be your private calendar, or do you want to go to the public calendar, which is called UPAL National. So you take that and you create the event. And you see how we created the event is right there, but if you wanted more details, you could go in here and you'll get this. And then you can say it's not an all-day event. It's going to go from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. on that day. And you could even go, it repeats daily, weekday, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or every Tuesday, Thursday, weekly, monthly, yearly. You could manipulate this to whatever you want. We're going to go Monday through Friday, just to show you. And it says, do you want it to never end, or until a certain date? And if you did, we could go up to, let's say, we did this on the 8th. Let's do it to the 1st. And then you can put a description here, and you can say where it's being held. So you've got a lot of options here that you could actually use when you go into the more details, okay? Again, here's the place that you could change the calendar at if you need to. You could give it a brief description if you want to. Just give it FYI. Over here is some email organizers, modified events, letting people, you could add guests who could actually modify events and stuff like that. You could show that you're busy, so if other people in Google have, it's like Outlook, basically. It'll show them that you're busy on that particular day. This event is default, private, public. We're going to use default, which means it's public. So you even have the option with a public calendar to make this particular event private until you're ready to go public with it. But we'll hit save, and there you go. You see how it populated everything. Now, showing you that's great and that's fine and all, but I want to show you what happened. If you go here and you hit refresh, see how it populated right here? So everything we just did on that is right here. We can even hit a map and say this is Richmond, Virginia. And that's pretty much it. I mean, there's nothing really to it. You can go to your day and you can see what your days are like. You go to your week, you go to your month, and you go to 4 days if you want to, and you can look at an agenda as well, so you can see that you're booked up every day that week from every day of those weeks at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. for the web tutorial. Of course, we both know that's false, but I'm going to leave it up for you so you can play with it and maybe toy around with that particular one I just did, or do some more. Just go ahead and have fun, play with it until you get the hang of it, which, believe me, it won't take you no more than probably 10 minutes to get this down. But I hope this tutorial helps, and if you got any questions, please, just give me a contact through email, phone, whatever, and let me know how it goes. As far as the registration thing, I'm still working on how to get that up and running the way it needs to be up and running. I don't know if that makes any sense to you, but I know I could make a field for the PayPal, not a problem, to purchase, for registration. But my problem is trying to connect the registration fields with PayPal and make it all emailed to you, or however it needs to be done. I'm still trying to investigate on how to get that done for you. I know you're working on probably a tight schedule now because you need it up by January, so believe me, I'll be working on it for the rest of this week. Hopefully have it to you by the end of next week. Not sure how that's going to play out, but hopefully I will. Alright, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this, and I wish you all the luck with the calendar. Talk to you later. Bye.